What do you think? What do you think, hubby girl? Your kittens won't leave your little peeps alone. Just won't stop sucking on you. So, here's the little guy. This is the firstborn boy. All black. Who's this? This was the last-born. Oh, it's easy. This is the last-born. Oh, yes. Oh, my butt. My umbilical cord. I'm sorry I took your baby. Oh, here's Fat Emmett. This is the fattest. This is the biggest guy. Big Emmett. There you go, Emmett. You always eat. And this is a little baby. She was the third born. She's just a little gray girl. I'm sorry that I have your baby. Can I have it back? Lick your babies. Lick your babies. It's my good girl. My good girl. My good mama. Yep, and there's Emmett back eating. What do you know? Where are all your babies? In your arm? Here are my babies! That's it. Baby, eating away. Bye-bye.